Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online class. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. Today we'll discuss application to the principal for school leaving certificate. We'll discuss the format of application writing as well as we'll write down the application to the principal for school leaving certificate. I hope today's lecture would be interesting for all of you. Let's start. Now, dear students, we'll write down the application to the principal for school leaving certificate. As you see, this is the page of your notebook. You will draw the margin on each side of the page with blue marker. Here on the left side of the page, top left side of the page, you will write the date, and top right side of the page, you will write the day. On the first line of your notebook, you will write application to the principal for school leaving certificate with blue marker. Margins will also be drawn with blue marker. Then after writing the topic of today's application, you will leave a line and then you will write the principal. T capital of the, P capital of principal, and then comma. Then the name of the institution, that is Sandal College. S capital of Sandal, C capital of college, and then comma. And then you will write the name of the city, that is Faisalabad. It is the address of the person you are going to apply. Then you will skip a line and the subject will be written. Subject actually is the purpose you are writing here down, why you are writing down this application, that is school leaving certificate. S should be capital of school, L should be capital of leaving, and C should be capital of certificate. School leaving certificate, and you will underline these three words, school leaving certificate, and keep it in mind that you will not write any comma or full stop at the end of this line, that is called subject, school leaving certificate. Then again you will skip a line, respected sir will be written here. R should be capital of respected, S should be capital of sir, then comma. Now we'll write down the body of the application. We'll start with due regards and you will skip an inch from the margin. With due regards, it is stated that my father is a bank officer. He has been transferred to Lahore. These are the keywords like transferred. आप इसको मार्कर के साथ लिखेंगे. ट्रांसफर्ड में अक्सर बच्चों के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि इसके गलत लिख देते हैं स्पेलिंग. आपने ख्याल रखना है जब तो ट्रांसफर जस्ट फर्स्ट फॉर्म हो तो आप सिंगल आर लिखेंगे एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वर्ड. इफ इट इज सेकंड और थर्ड फॉर्म तब आप आर को डबल करेंगे बिकॉज देयर इज स्ट्रेस ऑन ट्रांसफर्ड. तो he has been transferred to Lahore. The whole family is going to shift to Lahore in 2 weeks. Actually, this is the reason you are writing down here why you need school leaving certificate. The whole family is going to shift to Lahore in 2 weeks. I cannot live here alone. I will have to shift with my family. ये आपने रीज़न बता दी कि आपको इसलिए एप्लीकेशन चाहिए कि आपके फादर बैंक ऑफिसर हैं, उनका ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है, वो लाहौर चले जाएंगे हम सारी फैमिली इन 2 weeks, तो मैं यहाँ अकेला नहीं रह सकता. Therefore, I cannot further continue my studies here. Then this is the first paragraph. We'll move on to the second paragraph. When we write down the second paragraph, we'll skip a line and then we'll write I request you. Here again it is the second paragraph, new paragraph. आप यहाँ से तकरीबन 1 इंच छोड़ेंगे और उसके बाद लिखेंगे I request you kindly to issue your orders to provide me with the school leaving certificate. यहाँ ये सेंटेंस अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ, अभी जारी है. So that I may join a new school there without any problem. अब आपने असल बात लिखी है कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको स्कूल लीविंग सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए। फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपने रीज़न लिखी, इंट्रोडक्शन, और तब आपने रीज़न लिखी, और यहाँ आपने बताना है कि आपको उसके लिए क्या चाहिए। यू नीड स्कूल लीविंग सर्टिफिकेट। देन अगेन न्यू पैराग्राफ, यहाँ आप थैंक करेंगे उस पर्सनालिटी का जिसको एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं। आई विल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर दिस एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस। देन अगेन यू विल स्किप अ लाइन, योर्स ओबीडियंटली। हेयर योर्स वाई कैपिटल, अक्सर स्टूडेंट्स देखा है वो योर्स जब लिखते हैं तो यहाँ अपोस्ट्रोफे या फ्लाइंग कॉमा या आर और एस के ऊपर कॉमा डाल देते हैं, जो प्रोनाउन के लिए गलत होता है। यहाँ आप कुछ भी नहीं डालेंगे, जस्ट सिंपल योर्स ओबीडियंटली, एंड ओ शुड बी स्मॉल एंड देन कॉमा, एंड हेयर you will write x y z, x dot y dot z dot, because it is an examination application. Here you are not supposed to disclose your identity. आप अपना नाम नहीं लिख सकते, but when you write down such applications actually to get something from the principal, then you will write your name, class and roll number here. तो यहाँ चूँकि ये एग्ज़ामिनेशन के पर्पस के लिए आप लिख रहे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ आप अपना नाम नहीं लिखेंगे, सिर्फ एक्स वाई जी लिखेंगे, और योर्स ओबीडेंटली के सामने आप आज की डेट लिखेंगे, डेटेड नवंबर 12 24। और याद रखें, डेटेड जब आप लिखते हो नवंबर 12 24 या कोई भी डेट, तो इसके बाद में कोई डॉट या कॉमा नहीं लगाया जाता, ये ओपन होता है। डेटेड नवंबर 12 then comma and 24. This is all your application, and at the end of each question you will draw a line that is called. Dear students, I hope you might have understood the format of application, how we write down the application, what are the requirements of writing an application to the principal for school leaving certificate. You will follow the same format and the content of the application. If you have any question, if you have any problem regarding this lecture, you may comment in the comment section, and inshallah, I'll be there to answer your questions. Till some next lecture, please take a very good care of yourself and your dear ones. Thank you very much.